From bean to bar, Sangwa-borom crafts chocolate with passion and precision. Now, let us introduce 2 key reasons to choose Sangwa-borom. We believe that real chocolate begins with mindful craftsmanship. From cacao tree to tempering, every step follows Sangwa-borom's bean-to-bar philosophy. Roasting, winnowing, conching, and tempering shape the depth and balance of our chocolate. Carefully sourced cacao and a precise process come together to create true bean-to-bar chocolate. Hand-picked cacao is gently roasted to preserve natural aroma and flavor. Cracking, winnowing, and slow conching develop smooth texture and deep flavor. Sangwa-borom offers a diverse lineup of handmade chocolates, from cacao tea to rich desserts. Cacao Premium Tea delivers deep cacao aroma in a smooth and comforting cup. Cacao, pecan, and hazelnut come together for a rich and nutty chocolate experience. Sweet caramel and sea salt create a perfectly balanced chocolate indulgence. Enjoy Cacao Premium Tea in many ways, from warm moments to mindful breaks. From cake to pudding and drinkable cacao, experience chocolate in its richest forms. Pure chocolate goodness made without white sugar, gelatin, or preservatives. We grow together with local farmers, using organic Hallabong, peaches, and shine Muscat. Win-win partnerships with local and organic farmers create sustainable value. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us